In the scorching heat of summer, finding effective cooling solutions becomes essential for comfort. Two popular options that often compete for attention are mist fans and portable air conditioners. As we approach the summer, let's explore how these cooling devices compare across various aspects to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs. Operating principles. Mist fans combine traditional fan technology with water misting systems. They operate by emitting a fine spray of water droplets into the airflow, which evaporate quickly and absorb heat from the surrounding environment, creating a cooling effect through evaporative cooling. This process is similar to the natural cooling sensation you feel when wet skin is exposed to air. Portable air conditioners, conversely, utilize a refrigeration cycle. They extract heat from indoor air using refrigerants that circulate through coils, absorbing heat from inside and expelling it outside. This process not only cools the air, but also removes moisture, effectively dehumidifying the space. Cooling effectiveness. Mist fans provide immediate but somewhat superficial cooling. They're particularly effective in outdoor settings or semi-open spaces where the moisture can easily dissipate. However, their cooling capacity is generally limited to the immediate area around the fan and may only reduce temperatures by a few degrees. Portable air conditioners deliver more powerful and consistent cooling regardless of ambient conditions. They can significantly lower room temperatures and maintain that coolness over extended periods, making them more suitable for enclosed spaces where substantial temperature reduction is desired. Climate suitability. The effectiveness of mist fans is highly dependent on ambient conditions. They perform optimally in hot, dry climates where the added moisture can evaporate efficiently. In humid environments, mist fans become significantly less effective as the air is already saturated with moisture, limiting evaporation and potentially making the environment feel more uncomfortable. Portable air conditioners work effectively regardless of humidity levels, as they actively remove moisture from the air. This makes them versatile cooling solutions suitable for various climatic conditions, particularly excelling in humid environments where mist fans struggle. Energy consumption and cost. Mist fans are notably energy efficient compared to portable air conditioners. They typically consume between 30–90 watts of power, with specific modes using even less: fan mode, 55 watts, mist mode, 30 watts. This low power consumption translates to minimal operating costs. Portable air conditioners are more energy intensive, often consuming up to 1,000 to 2,000 watts. This significant difference in power usage results in higher electricity bills when using portable ACs regularly. Initial investment and maintenance. Mist fans generally have a lower initial purchase cost compared to portable air conditioners. However, they require regular maintenance, including cleaning to prevent nozzle clogging and mineral deposit buildup from water evaporation. Portable air conditioners represent a higher upfront investment but may offer better long-term value in appropriate settings. They require periodic maintenance, including filter cleaning and occasional draining of condensate water, but typically need less frequent attention than mist fans. Space requirements and portability. Mist fans are typically more compact and lightweight, making them highly portable and easy to move between different locations. Their smaller footprint makes them suitable for spaces where floor area is limited. Portable air conditioners are bulkier and heavier, though many models come with casters for mobility. They also require space for the hot air exhaust hose, which needs to vent outside through a window or dedicated outlet, limiting placement options. Humidity control. Mist fans add moisture to the air, which can be beneficial in dry environments, but potentially problematic in already humid conditions. The added humidity might make the environment feel sticky or uncomfortable if the air cannot efficiently absorb the additional moisture. Portable air conditioners remove moisture from the air as they cool, effectively functioning as dehumidifiers. This dual functionality makes them particularly valuable in humid climates where reducing both temperature and humidity levels is desirable. Noise levels. Mist fans can produce noise from both the fan motor and the water spraying mechanism, especially at higher speeds. However, many modern models are designed to operate relatively quietly. Portable air conditioners typically generate more noise due to their compressors and multiple fans. While newer models incorporate noise reduction technologies, they generally operate at higher decibel levels than mist fans. Environmental impact. Mist fans are considered more environmentally friendly as they consume less electricity and don't use refrigerants, which can be harmful to the environment if leaked. Their lower energy consumption also translates to a reduced carbon footprint. Portable air conditioners have a greater environmental impact due to higher energy consumption and the use of refrigerants, though modern units use more environmentally friendly refrigerants than older models. Indoor versus outdoor usage. Mist fans excel in outdoor settings, such as patios, gardens, sports events, and semi-open spaces where traditional air conditioning would be impractical. They can provide localized cooling without the constraints of needing an enclosed space. Portable air conditioners are designed primarily for indoor use in enclosed spaces where the cooled air can be contained and the heat can be vented outside. They're not suitable for outdoor use as the cooling effect would dissipate rapidly in open areas. Additional features. Modern mist fans often come with various features, including multiple speed settings, adjustable mist volumes, oscillation, remote control operation, and even mosquito-repelling capabilities 9. Some models also function as humidifiers during dry winter months or incorporate night lights and aromatherapy options. Portable air conditioners typically offer features like programmable timers, sleep modes, remote controls, and digital displays. Many newer models include air purification functions, smartphone connectivity, and multiple operating modes: cool, fan, dehumidify. Best use cases. Mist fans are ideal for outdoor spaces like patios, decks, and gardens, semi-open areas such as covered porches, dry climates where added humidity is beneficial, temporary cooling needs, situations where energy efficiency is a priority, locations where installation constraints prevent using portable acts. Portable air conditioners excel in enclosed indoor spaces, humid environments, situations requiring significant temperature reduction, spaces where consistent cooling is needed, areas where humidity control is important, locations where noise is less of a concern. So, which is better? Choosing between a mist fan and a portable air conditioner ultimately depends on your specific cooling needs, climate conditions, and usage environment. Mist fans offer an energy-efficient, cost-effective solution for outdoor spaces and dry climates, providing immediate relief through evaporative cooling. Their portability and lower operating costs make them attractive for temporary or localized cooling needs. Portable air conditioners deliver more powerful, consistent cooling regardless of humidity levels, making them better suited for enclosed indoor spaces where substantial temperature reduction is desired. While they require a higher initial investment and consume more energy, their ability to both cool and dehumidify makes them versatile cooling solutions for various environments. As we approach the summer, consider your specific requirements, whether you need cooling for an outdoor gathering, a humid indoor space, or a dry climate area, to determine which option will provide the most effective and efficient cooling solution for your needs.